Hello guys and welcome back to my channel TechPreneur, and in this video I'm gonna tell you guys which are the best programming languages which you need to learn in order to excel in data science. The first programming language is gonna be Python. Now, Python has recently emerged as a go-to programming language in the field of data science among developers. It has great set of libraries such as NumPy pandas, which are actually built for statistical analysis. It wasn't actually built for statistical analysis, but the easiness and the readiness of the code actually forced or attracted other developers to build libraries as good as NumPy and Pandas to actually deal with data, and also support of graphing libraries, plotting libraries such as matplotlib also helped it, and the machine learning libraries such as TensorFlow, PyTorch actually helped this programming language gain a lot of traction. The easiness of the code actually is helping other guys who are new to programming become Python as their first programming language, and the developers who are actually king in the terms of machine learning as well as data science actually use this programming language as their go-to programming language because of its great set of libraries, and and also other set of libraries, because Python is not only popular in data science part of it but also the web development part of it, such as it has great set of libraries such as Django and Flask, which actually help this programming language gain a lot of attraction from other developers, and as well as the community behind it is really great. The second programming language is going to be R. R is a language actually made for statistical computations. Most of the stock traders actually use R for analysis because it's open sourced and it has a great set of libraries for statistical analysis, and great libraries for visualizations too. So it actually makes this as a go-to programming language for analysis and visualizations. One of the main aspects of data science is extracting data from the databases, because data science you need to deal with a lot of data and most of the data are stored in databases, so you need one more thing, which is SQL. Now, in order to get the data back from the databases, you need to write a lot of queries in order to get the data so that you can actually import the data into any of the programming languages such as R or Python and do analysis on top of it. So SQL is the tool which you need to learn if you are going for a data science. So first learn SQL, get better at it, and then go for simultaneously go for either of the programming language, maybe Python or R. If you are new, I'd suggest go for Python because it has a great support. Even R has a great support, but if you want to do scripting, if you want to do web scraping, if you want to do web development, and also start in the field of machine learning, you have a great set of libraries such as TensorFlow, scikit-learn, PyTorch to actually get started with the machine learning part of it. This is it for this video. If you really like this kind of video on my channel, and if you actually wanted more of this kind of video, do let me know in the comments down below. And also again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.